Alright guys, bringing you another 2021 RSQ8. This one's going to be finished in the Navarra Blue. It's got the Cognac interior, all the carbon accents on it. So the full diffuser in the rear valance is all carbon fiber. The blacked out Audi badges, the blacked out RSQ8 badge. This thing's absolutely gorgeous. I mean, it definitely is a little mini Urus. I film all my videos live for you guys. I don't do any edits, so if you guys like my content, subscribe, like, share. This thing's absolutely gorgeous though. Gonna get you more. As you guys can see, got the 23-inch wheels on there with the red calipers. The Continental tires on there. Again, the full carbon front grille. Full carbon side mirrors. Alright guys, here's that beautiful Cognac interior. Honeycomb stitching. Whole dashboard. There's that dry carbon. That's how the door cards look. So that Cognac leather with the Alcantara, the dry carbon, and the Bang & Olufsen. It's got the built-in shades back here. You can control from the switches there, as well as the front seat. Just roll the windows in the back seat up twice. The dry carbon. And guys, there's another look at that Cognac interior. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, this is the back here. RSQ8 mats. Comes with the roof racks, those are standard. Another look at that Cognac interior.